All right, language explorers. Let's have a look at today's Saturday phrasal verbs. So look at. Look at. Watch something. To watch something, yeah. What is he looking at? What is he looking at? I will look at the recipe. I look at the piece of paper. We need to look at it now. Look at it and tell me when it expires. Okay? Right, okay. Look at it and tell me when it expires. Yeah. How cool is that? We're looking at it now. Yes. We need to look at it and see for ourselves how bad it is. Yeah. Need to look at it. Yeah. Then we can see how good or bad it is. Okay. Now we understand. Yeah, quite important. Yeah. We looked right at it. We looked right at it and we saw what happened. We looked right at them and saw what happened. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. How are you looking at it now? How are you looking at it? It's closed. How are you looking at it? It's so far away. How can you look at it? It is so far away. It's so far away. How cool is that? Yeah. Do you know where they will be looking at us from? They will be looking at the top of the building. Looking at it. Looking straight at it. I want to look straight at it. Yes. Yeah. The builder will need to look at the house first. Look at the house first, yeah. Then he will look at the plumbing. Look at the plumbing. Look at the house. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, can you use look at in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.